Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Profits Today review demo and $3,497 bonus. Now this is Profits with a Z, but you know what I'm saying, this is a brand new system for making you money as soon as possible, okay? So we all know that if you're trying a brand new formula or system for making money online, and if you're not seeing results really fast, then you're probably just move on and try something else because you will think, okay, this is not working, right? Like if something will work but a week later or a month later, then you'll probably not stick around for the results because you want results instantly, right? Now this brand new product will give you results instantly because essentially these are done for you affiliate marketing campaigns that you can just copy and paste and see results super fast with very little work. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen right now and we will jump into this Profits review today. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just went to Fiverr and I did a little research on how much done for you emails are going for. Okay, so you're getting full done for you marketing campaigns and you're getting a total of 5. And if you would want to go to Fiverr to pay someone just to write an email for you, you would have to spend around $40–50. Okay, so as you can see, we have $60 here, 44, 39, we have 20 here, but obviously it depends on how long the email is. Now keep in mind this is just for emails and you're getting a bunch of done for you materials with Profits Today. So this is just a little comparison for you to keep in mind how much you would have to pay if you would get things like this separately. Now this is the sales page and as you can see it says Profits Today. We make $263 every day using this done for you system, and now you can do the same. Add your name, link and deploy your profitable campaigns with no hard work involved. Now scrolling down here we have some testimonials, 3-step system. Luan Casagrande, that's the guy behind the course, and he's launching this with Firelaunchers. Okay, so again, Profits Today, they got some proof right here and then a little demo and some more proof, more testimonials, the usual stuff from the sales page. And right now let me show you the inside of the members area, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so first of all we have the dashboard, and on the dashboard, as you can see, you can access 5 done for you campaigns. Now the cool thing is that one of these campaigns is for my product, Traffic Trapper 2.0, an amazing traffic software actually, and you're getting everything if you want to promote it, and 4 additional ones, again a total of 5. So done for you campaign number 1, Allure, done for you campaign number 2, WP Fresh Start, and these are all W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, by the way. Traffic Trapper 2.0, Speed Easy, and Logo Biz. So if you want to create a new campaign, all you have to do is click on create, and as you can see, all you have to do is add your name, add your affiliate link, and add your email. Okay, in a second I'm going to show you how this works. So then you can request the affiliate link from within the software, so you just click, then you're going to go to Warrior Plus, and if you're going to apply for my Traffic Trapper 2.0 affiliate link, I'm going to approve instantly, and obviously all 5 of these you will be approved automatically. Okay, then we have the bonus delivery URL. So this is actually how to deliver your bonuses, okay, because you're getting the bonuses and you can deliver these automatically. So first of all, let me show you these bonuses. This is how it looks like. So you're getting 7 bonuses for each product. Okay, so you don't have to look for bonuses, you don't have to go to PLR size. These are high quality bonuses that you're getting included, and all you have to do is just hook it up in your Warrior Plus account, and Luan actually shows you exactly how to do it. Then we can preview the page that you're going to be promoting, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. So we have the original sales page, but we have all of the bonuses mentioned here. So this is essentially a bonus page. So this is what top affiliates are always using, and as you can see, on the top right here it says get this $2,987 real value bonus pack for friends and subscribers of, and this will be your name. So that's why you are adding your name and email when you're creating the campaign. So this will be, this will say Art Flair if I would be promoting this, or Jane Doe if you are promoting this yourself. So then we have the sales page. So this is from the actual sales page, and then we have all of the bonuses. And as you can see, when people will click right here, this is where your affiliate link is hard coded. Okay, so that's how you add your affiliate link to it. Okay, so if someone will actually click on it, they will go to the sales page for Traffic Trapper 2.0, but they will use your affiliate link. So this is how it works. Okay, going back here, then we have your campaigns. So as you can see, obviously we can click on your campaigns and see all of the campaigns that you already created, and then you can share it right here, and you can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Tumblr, and on LinkedIn. And obviously you have the link that you can start just sending traffic to. So that's how you make money, obviously. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is essentially what you're getting. Again, these done for you campaigns are ready to go. So bonus pages, delivery, all of the bonuses and everything else is included, and all you really have to do again is just you have to add your name, add your affiliate link, and add your email. That's it. Then you can start promoting. Now, a part of everything that I just showed you, you're getting video training included on how to actually put all of this to work. So as you can see, we have create your first campaign, create your own bonus page. This is for custom campaigns. Okay, so obviously you can promote these 5 done for you products, or you can just use ProfitzToday to create bonus pages for any affiliate product that you want to promote. Then we have how to create profitable campaigns, 3 easy steps. That's essentially it. All you have to do is just you know, the things that I just showed you. Just add your name, add your affiliate link, and then you can start promoting and making money. And the cool thing is that these products are again W's of the Day awarded products. You will be seeing results because these products convert. I think Traffic Trapper sold more than 4,000 copies. So this is something that it converts absolutely amazing, and you will see results with this. Okay, so guys, that's essentially what you're getting, essentially done for you campaigns, and all you have to do is just add your name to it. That's it. And right now let's go through the upsell. So ProfitzToday will be actually $17, which is a crazy low price. Then we have audio number 1, which is the Elite Edition. Okay, so we have ProfitzToday Elite Edition, 10x results booster. So you're getting 10 additional done for you campaigns. Okay, so again, with the main product, you're getting 5 done for you campaigns. With the Elite Edition, you're getting 10 extra, which means you're getting a total of 15. With commercial rights, and you're gonna unlock the ability to create 5 front-end accounts that you can give to your clients, team members, and outsourcers. Okay, so that's the Elite Edition. Audio number 2, we have ProfitzToday Done For You Traffic Edition. So this is a complete package of reviews and videos you can use to promote the 15 campaigns that you got. These guys will make sure that you're going to be getting traffic from day 1. Okay, so that's audio number 2. And audio number 3, the last one, we have the resellers, which means that you can sell ProfitzToday as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel, so all 4 products. Okay, so that's essentially it. And right now let me show you my written review. Obviously this will include this funnel right here, and this will include my bonuses, and I have a mega bonus package to it, $3,497. And if you do want to get this bonus package for free, all you have to do is pick up ProfitzToday from my link, and to do so, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you are watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, ProfitzToday will be going live at 9 AM Eastern on March 27th, and first of all, I'm going to give you a couple of additional software bonuses. Okay, so you're gonna get SEO X Business, that's for generating more traffic, and Mail Script X, which is a piece of software that creates email copy for you. Okay, so pretty amazing. Then I'm going to give you a bunch of W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, Riser, Newbie Traffic Formula, Flip Me Income Booster, Flip Me Reseller's License, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and additional plugins and software. So I have a bunch, so bear with me here. So you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Text, IS Popbox, Sales Bar, Short Code Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Asian Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, WP image and video commenter, social auto poster, slick pop, Weedbot, title, traffic tidal wave, explosive video marketing made easy, top email marketer secrets, money method, AdSense marketing, cash flow, image sharing, Profitz, creating info products, instant 2 cents traffic, terrific tube traffic, getting Facebook traffic, automated traffic bot, viral traffic ninja, niche site Profitz pack, passive profits, white label profit plan, YouTube cash, and video page creators. So that's a total of 50 bonuses, but I'm not done because you're also getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. Okay guys, so that's the biggest bonus package I've ever offered, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,497. So guys, again, if you want to pick it up through my link, you will get all of these bonuses, and you will have to do so after 9 AM Eastern on March 27th. And again, just click on one of these blue links from my blog or the first link in the description from YouTube. And as always guys, I have a full written review as well, and this will include this little sum up right here. So just to sum up this Profitz Today review, it comes with done for you campaigns that are ready to go, and you know, you can make huge profits. You just add your name, link, and deploy the campaigns. You can swap these done for you campaigns and get paid today. Everything is cloud-based, nothing to install. You can launch your first campaign in seconds. You have the ability to create your own bonus pages, which is cool, and you can start right now. What I don't like about Profitz Today, there's not much not to like, but you have to use these campaigns with products as is. But again, with that being said, you can create a campaign for any product, so that's cool as well. And if you are using this done for you format, you're not creating the skills you might need down the road if you want to create like a 6-figure, 7-figure empire online. But you know, with that being said, you're making money today or tomorrow, which will just keep you encouraged and will make sure that you keep on pushing. Okay, so guys, this is my Profitz Today review, and again, check out my full written review. And before you go, let me just show you how to claim your bonus. All you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on the top right corner icon, go to purchase history, and you should see Profitz Today right here in one of your purchases. Click on it, and below the access button you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim my bonus. You don't have to send me emails, or you don't have to send me receipts. This is all done automatically. And again, just go to Fiverr and see how much people are charging for a bonus page, for email copy, for, you know, all of these different parts of a successful done for you campaigns, and you will see that you would spend hundreds of dollars on something like this, and you're getting 5 done for you campaigns ready to go. Plus you can create your own, which is cool. So again, Profitz Today goes live at 9 AM Eastern on March 27th. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, please subscribe to this channel, and check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording review videos for you guys and also demo videos. So again, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.